For this DIY, you are going to need a couple of trays, both different sizes. So I'm starting here with the pizza tray. This one is a 25cm pizza tray, and I've got this sandwich tin which is 18cm tray. These are both from Poundland, £1 each. I've also got this candlestick, again from Poundland. It's the only one I could find in there. I ideally wanted something a bit smaller, but this is all they had. And then in order to paint the trays, I've got these 2 chalk paints, one in antique white and one in this anthracite grey. My initial idea on these is to paint them using the white, and then using the anthracite grey and the smaller paintbrush, I will do a kind of enamel effect. I'll see how that goes. And then using Narrow-Dite Part 1, Part 2 epoxy glue, I will stick them all together. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly new DIY home decor crafty inspiration videos every single week.